present.
There should not be so much of rush.
Where's the video?
See, Mr. Sen was just falling.
My lord,
What will happen?
my lord, 4 or 5 matters 1 p.m. and then other matters, my lord, also my lord is taken up. So my lord, now it has become the my lord the
If it can be resolved at the end of your clients, then the court will be relieved. And the court would like to be relieved. If your client becomes a little bit more proactive. Otherwise, Ms. Sinha is there, Mr. Shah is also there. If your client becomes a bit proactive, this court can be relieved.
one of the
Please give the file. 8. Yes. Here also ballot papers were produced.
Yes.
Let me see the ballot papers. Where is the video?
Well, the video is here.
Is here. You are the video.
No.
Please give her some space to stand.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm the video.
Then ballot papers over here.
Yes, Your Honor.
These of the presiding officer, but then you issued these ballot papers.
Yes, Your
to
Honor.
the presiding officer.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tell me how this came out.
Your Honor, the snatching was happened.
Snatching happened?
Yes.
Very good.
Snatching happened in the counter, counting venue. Counting venue, the snatching was happened. And in this way, the ballot papers were came out.
Did you report this matter to the commission?
Yes, Your Honor.
You reported
Yes,
it?
Your Honor, and also I did a FIR launch. I lodged an
FIR
FIR.
has been
Yes, Your
lodged.
Honor.
And are you aware as to whether the person to whom you reported, whether did he take any steps or not in response to your complaint? No.
No.
Not yet. You do not know
No.
as of now
No.
whether any steps have been taken or not.
Yes.
Right? These are stamped ballot papers.
Yes.
So whether these were taken into for the purpose of counting of the votes, you do not know.
These were the ballot papers, and the snatching was happened. So in this way, these ballot papers were outside the venue.
Right? And whether these were counted or not, you cannot say. Whether these
Cannot
votes,
say. Yes,
you
yes, Your
cannot
Honor.
say.
Yes, Your Honor.
Commission, what will be your response?
That, so far as repolling is concerned, first of all, my lord,
Is
there
this
has been-
repolling going on over here?
no, my lord, so far as it is because of such incidents that my lord, repolling has been ordered in my lord, 696 or 698 booths.
What about this?
My lord, so far as the other, my lord, there are allegations of about 6,000 more booths.
All
My
right.
lord, for which my lord, the Chief Justice has my lord, asked us to my lord, submit a report.
All right.
My lord, that report is being considered. I don't know my lord, whether this particular booth is my lord, one of those 6,000. I would imagine it.
Take it into the scanner because she has already reported it to the commission. This is what the
Yes,
submission is.
Today, my lord, a comprehensive report is being filed with regard to my lord, 6,000 booths, in respect of which my lord, further additional complaints were made my lord, in the PIL before the Honorable Chief Justice, my lord, the division bench of the Honorable Chief Justice. And my lord, the Election Commission has been directed to file a comprehensive report, my lord, because these are also my lord, allegations of contempt made. My lord,
No, I understand. Just check up whether this constituency, this booth
yes, of course, my lord.
was there in your report.
Well, I will have to check that up, my lord. Now that my lord, I have got a preliminary report, but my lord, I don't want to rely on this, my lord, without being satisfied with it. Well, I will have to my lord, go through this, reconcile it my lord, with the other complaints that have been made with regard to the booth. Whether my lord, this is one of the 698 booths my lord, where recalling was directed. If not, my lord, what is the
You
CC?
file it today. If you require, you file a further report, a supplementary report also.
Very
There
good.
is no difficulty. Who has signed this report? The video has signed.
This is my lord, the report prepared by the BDO.
Right. Let it be filed today.
Very good.
And if required, you can file supplementary reports also.
May I get
Because
a copy of this?
one minute. She has already made this submission in open court.
Yes.
So, and she stands by it. So there is no difficulty.
Here, of
Please
course,
come.
my lord, in the report she has my lord, said that to
Recounting has happened.
the recounting
Yes.
has
After
happened.
after that incident, we did the recounting in presence of honorable observer, and that time.
Counting.
Don't
Anyway,
disrupt
let us-
her. She is not an advocate. Just have patience.
My lord,
Yes.
let us file this report. My lord,
Yes,
I
yes.
have copies. My lord, I will go through it.
Right.
And my lord, we'll come back to it also.
Madam, the recounting that you are saying, even after recounting, these ballot papers are outside. So this could not have been taken into consideration and these are signed ones.
Because these ballots
Were
that
not
will be
there.
restored.
Right.
Yes.
So there is a chance that the result of the elections may change in view of these ballots not being
margin-
counted.
Margin back. Yeah, tha.
Mr. Mahato, the BDO is saying there was snatching. She has reported it to the police, and you say whether
I fail to understand how the state can.
difficulty is Mr. Mahato is a seasoned politician.
That's the
No, my lord.
Yes.
she is saying.
If the snatching is there and ballot is within the custody of the petitioner, then what will be the, what is the presumption? What is the presumption?
We will see what the presumption is.
My lord, what is the presumption?
What is your name, madam?
Paramita Ghosh.
Miss Paromita Ghosh,
You don't do this.
the
you
block
don't-
development officer.
No one is doing that.
Don't ever try to do that.
Mr. De, Mr. De, please. Please. Ms. Paromita Ghosh, the Panchayat Returning Officer, Block Development Officer, Bali Jogacha, is personally present in court. Stop. The ballot papers, which were handed over by the learned advocate representing the petitioner and retained in the custody of the Registrar General of this court, were shown to the Panchayat Returning Officer. Stop. She perused the same and submitted in court that the ballot papers were duly issued by her to the presiding officer. Stop. It has been submitted that, she submits that there was a scuffle at the time of counting, and maybe at the time of such incident, the ballot papers went out of the counting station. Stop. Next. She further submits that she lodged FIR before the police and before the commission. Did you intimate the commission?
Yes. Yes.
And the State Election Commission. Stop. There is no response from either of the above. Stop. Next. Let the ballot papers be resealed and be kept in the custody of the Registrar General.
May I file the report that she has presented?
Yes. A report has been prepared by the Panchayat Returning Officer. The same is taken on record.
A copy of the report may be given to me.
Yes. Let copy of the same be handed over to the learned advocate representing the petitioner. Stop. Did you bring the CCTV footages?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Everything is maintained and there's a direction that all of them should be protected and preserved.
Yes. That
All
direction
of-
is duly
yes.
complied.
Yes.
Yesterday, I took up a similar matter where the CCTV footages have been kept in the custody of the Registrar General, and your officer has been permitted to obtain copy of the same, take back the original, and the copy will be retained by the Registrar General's office, right? Same direction will be passed here.
My lord, your lordship may do that because
Yes.
ultimately, my lord, we have to file a comprehensive report on the basis of CCTV footage in every matter.
Yes. So that direction is passed over here also. And at the time of copying, the technical members of the Panchayat Returning Officer will be present. And the technical member of the High Court will also be present, where the copying will take place.
Your lordship, my lord, will in that case have to direct, my lord, the original CCTV footage to be made over.
Yes, after copying, the same will be returned to your officer.
Very good.
Because the originals should remain with you,
But
and
there's
the-
no difficulty.
copy will be here.
There's no
কালকে একটা order pass হয়েছিল।
Let it be kept, it has been brought by the video, that videograph, lordship.
Yes, that will be given.
That is the that
Give me the DVRs and whatever you have. Yes.
original
Hand
device.
it over.
it will be appealed. Total hard disk.
আজির ওখানে will assist you to the RG's office, where the details of the documents or the digital evidences that you are giving are to be recorded.
Yes,
Right.
Your Honor.
You please wait here. He'll take you over there and give the details and everything.
Yes, Your Honor.
And this matter will also appear on the same day, 25th.
One sentence may be added that petitioner did not disclose how did he get this ballot paper. There is no such evidence.
No averment.
No such evidence.
No avertment.
No such evidence.
Yes, my lord, there is no avertment.
There is no
I
averment.
have made one complaint. That complaint on the, there is one link is given, lordship. I got the complaint. If I am permitted, I will come up with the supplementary affidavit.
No, what is that? What is that?
Regarding the ballot paper, lordship, that it was snatched. The snatching incident was reported to the officer in charge of Nischinda police station prior to filing this. The only thing that it could not be annexed due to the hurried filing. We have annexed the report, that is, it is sent.
Leave granted to the learned advocate on record, to the learned advocate of the petitioner to file supplementary affidavit annexing documents to show that a formal complaint of snatching of ballot papers / a scuffle was reported to the police prior to reported to the competent authorities. Reported to the competent authorities prior to the filing of the present writ
And
petition.
my submission be recorded that
Copy of the supplementary affidavit
from
shall
where
be-
he has selected.
Copy of the supplementary affidavit shall be circulated amongst all the parties.
My lord, one submission may be recorded that there is no
Actor line learned advocate representing the state submits that
Training.
there is no averment in the writ petition disclosing as to how the petitioner got the custody of the ballot papers. Got custody of the ballot papers. Actually, got hold of the ballot papers.
Well, only one small submission, my lord.
Yes,
Well,
please.
your lordship has passed directions, my lord. My lord, do not stand in the way, but my lord, there is the question of maintainability of these petitions even
Very-
now. So, my
The other matter also, it